They are Andrew.
Yes, yes.
That's my name, and this is the Kibuye.
Yes, yes.
Kibuye town. We found the restaurants.
Yes.
We, as you see, the food's here. Great food. It's a restaurant. If you don't want to have your lunch or dinner from the hotel,
Yes.
just in town.
Yes.
There are local restaurants, local food.
Yes, yes.
I will start. This is the rice.
Okay.
The rice.
Okay. Start, brother.
The rice. Starting with the rice.
Even we have a plate, you can serve by yourself.
More plates. Everyone is supposed to serve themselves.
Yes.
If you don't want to be served yourself, will be someone to help you to serve you.
Okay.
That's the rice.
Yes, yes.
In a local way.
Local way. They put some carrots inside
There's
it.
a carrot inside mixed with a.
Grated carrots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go with the banana. This
Yes.
is the banana.
What you called in local language?
We call it the igitochi.
Igitoke.
That's the local name.
Okay. Banana and with noodles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Banana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We go.
Okay. Rice.
It looks like a mushroom.
Igitoke. Banana with noodles.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is a
Vegetable.
vegetable. Everything is in the.
Like a cabbage and brinjal.
Yeah.
I understand.
Here we go. This is the maize. The maize.
Oh, I know the maize.
And this is the beans.
Yes, and these are the beans.
The beans.
And
maize.
this is the maize.
Can take a maize as well.
Okay.
I really like them.
Everyone like maize. This is corn.
Yeah.
Yes. Fresh corn. The boiled one, eh?
Yeah.
Or some-
And also you can put some. Yeah.
This is beans.
This is beans.
Local beans.
Local beans. And this is we call it ugali.
Ugali.
But made from the maize.
Maize.
Maize
So,
ugali.
yes, they called in poso.
Also.
Oh, yeah, I know. This is, I was in Zambia, they called poso. Even Uganda, they called posho.
Yeah.
And this is good for health.
Yeah. This very good for the health.
This-
And this.
Oh,
This is chips.
this is Africa Lifeline. This is Africa Lifeline.
Yeah.
Without this, you cannot eat the food.
You can. Some people don't like it. Like me, I really like. But
Irish,
if they are not around, I can eat anything.
Irish potato and what is
And this
this?
is the sauce made in tomato sauce.
Okay. So this is the sauce you can take
Yeah.
for mucheri and all.
From cherry and yes, the meat.
This is
Thousands
okay. So
meat from the cow.
okay. Even they have a
This is it. This is the African food, local food we are carrying in Kibuye. So if you want to join these restaurants, you are welcome. We did this after having a great boat tour from different islands.
yes.
So we are having our lunch here. Well, it's time to tell us.
Thank you so much, brother. Look,
And if you really need to something like chapati.
yes.
There's chapatis here. People like to make chapati as well.
They have a chapati
Chapatis there.
and,
Chapatis.
and pili pili.
And thank you.
Okay, merci, brother.
Thank you so much.